Ni kakamburaki na VitiFM ni andro binaka madingo mirasar taltingan Serekali en kena tebeli ni vengeravi en mutaka binaka nikwa NABUKADOGO I die. As I sat back at home and memorized those years back, I wonder how it would be if it was not for that plan. The night I remember when I sent you a friend request, which eventually turns out to be a date as a friend. For me, it was just like a meet happened a few days ago. The delicious taste of fish and chips besides Nambukalo. I got a glimpse of your heart before I headed back home, the day my heart beat so fast as it was about to blow. Little did I know that we were attending the same university. Well, maybe time and chance had never given us opportunity. Surprisingly learned that we also belonged to the same family tree, too late to revert, as love had already connected you and me. Days gone by when your family learned of our relationship. To break up with you is the only advice I commonly received. They said it was way too insulting to continue with this, as for whatever we planned, our leaders will never agree. So many things came to my mind as I kept on thinking, trying to find a proper way for us to rightly fit it in. Even at night I found it hard to put mind to sleeping, and there comes another new day like I was drifting. That early morning call to meet you at Vivres Plaza. Strange feelings came to my mind with lots of wonder. As there were a lot of questions in mind I cannot answer. Surprisingly, you told me to meet your parents in Ulutaga. And so the confusion was settled there once and for all. The kind words from your daddy, who is so bold and so tall. For a moment I was planning to run away when I first saw, but today I am proud to call this man Mundo or my Momo. I am blessed with you, mother of our children, Tovu. For years I found nothing better than to have you. Relationship had finally accepted between us two, since I hail from the same village with Yombumbu. As the saying goes, our family is important for us all. It is the proverbial egg that we were hatched from. Even though time and distance might separate us, yet nothing can take away the power in our blood. NABUKADOGO is your village or your own provenance. I salute your Vanua for nurtured you since existence. All the way from Coral Island, love with no distance, we build a strong bridge of love with no regrets. They say the world is round, yet I often think it is just square. So many little hurts we get from corners here and there, but we manage to stay together with much love and care. Save my words from our parents. Thinking of those advices years ago to discourage me. You still have courage when I was lost and weak. You are the meaning of strength at its highest peak, for without you, Tovu, I would not live this dream. I have lost of words, and so my poem has to end. My apology to all of you, my family and friends. The love of my life, I am proud to tell her story. My Tovu, my loving wife, Rose, my one and only. Love is complete with you, darling, on my side, as I cannot take your beauty away from my mind. My love for you is irreversible, firm and unite. For that I am proud to say, NABUKADOGO I die. Before I say goodbye, I thank you all for your reading. Truly in life, we face the reality of different feelings. Follow your hearts and never ever stop dreaming. A prosperous family is what Kadauningaw is wishing. Ya vikam ni nando buting man nondaru Serekali sa ayawa. Pinabali besar na sa mating man singo vinakaninday na nondaru was ningaw na ni bakatawa kasawon ni vinakali batalangakina. Vikam ni katsara na wala tiguno no ni Serekali ngindo wako tatigumay en nondaru was ningaw na ni bakatawa. Serekali Namaki ko talanga ningaw ledabi mama ni diwa moni tikina barombo ka ngindaw na Namaki tumay kina